Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to connect the boards in monday.com. First, you need to go to the monday.com and open your workspace. After opening your workspace, you have to go to the plus add column button here. Click on it. After clicking on it, you have to go to here, connect. After connect, click on select boards. Clicking on select boards, select whichever you want to select and then click on connect boards. By doing that, you will be able to connect the boards. If you want to add a mirror column, you can do that too, but I don't want to do it, so I'll do it later. As you can see, now our boards are connected. So I hope this video helped you. If it does, then please like and share our video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.